In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Apps section available here. Now scroll to choose Cloned Apps and use Cloner available in your Motorola. To do that, tap on plus icon next to any app that can be cloned, in my case Messenger, and you will see this section. Tap on Create and wait. So when I go back to check it out, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. If you wanna delete this clone, you can go back to the same section of your settings and tap on bin icon next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!